How to set a GIF as profile picture in TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply set a GIF as profile picture on TikTok. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up the Play Store and look for your TikTok application and make sure it's updated. If it's not, just do it because the new features of the TikTok application won't be available on the previous versions of the application, that is TikTok. And if you are any other user than Android, for example an Apple user or a Symbian user, make sure you do it as well on your respective app galleries or app stores, because same applies. Now we're gonna further get into it and see how to set GIF as profile picture in TikTok. So let's dive into this. First of all, open the TikTok application. This is the kind of a page that would appear up, and you have to go into profile by tapping at the right bottom corner profile icon. Once you get there, you tap on the profile picture. So once you do that, or you go into that edit profile, once you go over there, there's this page of edit profile in which there are two options for profile picture. That number one is change photo and the second one is change video. So if you change a photo or take some photo, or you change a photo or view it from a gallery, so for example this photo is that you want to do, so it would be implemented or changed or replaced as a photo. And if you want to make or set a GIF as a profile picture or a video, you have to go into the video. So once you tap on the videos, it shows up or opens up all of the videos. I've tapped on it and it would take some time. So eventually when this opens up, simply select one or two video or a GIF, so and tap on the confirm, and it is set up as a video. Once it does so, it is done. This is how you set a GIF as a profile picture on TikTok, or a video on TikTok as a profile picture. And if you guys still have any question or query, just feel free to contact. I would love to answer that. So till next time, peace. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.